A lot of people ask me about LoRa and LoRaWAN. So, here is a simple story to make it easy to understand. The technology is way more fascinating on the physical layer, but let's keep it simple for now. Let's imagine a scenario where Simran is 15 kilometers away from the Raj and Raj wants to send a message to her. So that's where the LoRa comes in. LoRa is a special kind of wireless signal that can travel really long distances while using extreme minimal power. So Raj's message can easily travel those 15 kilometers with the LoRa, but here is a catch. LoRa itself is just a signal. It does not know who the message is for, where to deliver it, or whether Simran even got it. That's where the LoRaWAN steps in. Think of this as a postal system. Raj puts his message in an envelope. A postman tags the LoRa gateway, pick it up and forwards it. The main post office, the LoRaWAN network server, checks the address, verifies the Raj if the message is secured, and route it correctly. Finally, the Simran gets the letter and she reads it. So, in the simple words, LoRa is just a signal that travels far, and LoRaWAN is the system that makes sure it reaches to the right person. Without LoRaWAN, Raj's message might get lost. With it, Simran will always receive it extremely securely. So, this is just a simple way to understand. The real technology, especially the physical layer, is much more fascinating for the real world example. Check out more at Macnman.com.